This book is called Honor Thy Art. It is all about how to take yourself as an artist from producing art and making art that you love. Like, you already know how to make the art. This teaches you how to be an entrepreneur. This is going to teach you how to make a lot of money with your art. This is going to teach you how to be very successful as an artist. Every step that I've taken to get where I am today, but you can get there a lot quicker. It's taken me 5.5 years of a lot of failure, a lot of heartbreak, gosh, a lot of hard work. And listen, this is going to take you hard work. I'm not going to, I won't even mince words with you about that. I don't like pull the wool over your eyes and say some shit, but it's going to take hard work. But I have every single step that I took, how I've got sponsors that are paying me, how I'm getting flown all over the country to go and create my art live, how I'm getting free product, how I'm doing all the things, how I've got income, whether I work for the rest of the year or not. I literally am at a position in my career, I can literally take the rest of the year off. And we're talking ass in the sand, freaky umbrella drinks in my hand, like the rest of the year off. I don't have to work at this point. I could teach you how to do that. It's in the book. Just because you can make the art doesn't mean you can sell it. And that's where this book comes in. That's why it was so important for me to write this book. Because I starved. I was miserable, I was starving, and I was failing magnificently in the beginning of my career. And it was just this massive challenge. But what I figured out over those last 5.5 years, what's led me to today, led me to being deeply successful as an artist. Everything's in that book. People need your art. Art is so special. It's so different than any other product that's out there. It's like when someone creates something from nothing, there is this magical moment that happens. And the thing is, the more, because like that's just love. It's love and gratitude and wow of craftsmanship. And when you have that moment, you're putting that amazing energy out into the world. The more artists that are succeeding creating their art, the more that feeling is out in the world. Deeply successful artists are happy. And I just think deeply successful human beings are happy. It starts with that happiness. I will teach you in that book, step by step, how to get that happiness, but I guarantee you that happiness leads to the money. Like, no shit, and it has to be in that order. You have to get that happiness first, and that money will come in. It literally, it's just like, it flows to you, and you attract that money. You attract clients that are, beyond the wildest dreams of like your dream clients. I teach you how to get that. It teaches you how to get all of these things. I'm telling you, it's mother effing magic. It's magic what I've created in my life. And if I can do it, so can you. It takes work, but I guarantee you, if you put in badass effort, you will get badass results. Like I said, beyond anything that you can ever imagine.